If you are ready to turn your passion into profit in 2025, then this video might just be for you. I will walk you through how to start a blog as a beginner, how to make money blogging, and how blogging can become a long-term passive income stream for you. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up your blog step by step. We shall also consider the best ways to monetize your blog. We shall be looking at some useful tips for standing out and driving traffic. We're also going to be looking at how to use YouTube to grow your blog audience. Whether you are a stay-home parent, a student, a side hustle seeker, blogging is an excellent way to share your ideas to help others and could also be a long-term passive income stream. Blogging is far from dead. Blogs are thriving these days, and it is a great way to build your personal brand outside of YouTube. With your blog, you can share your expertise and create multiple income streams, especially with AIs and automation these days. Trust me, blogging is one to consider for passive income in 2025 and beyond. Now let's look at a step-by-step on how to start a blog. But before we start, it is important to choose a niche. So, choose your niche. You can focus on topics you are passionate about, like travel, like finances, like personal development, or even social media management. The next thing you want to do is to pick a domain name. Keep it simple and memorable. Now, the next thing you want to do is to select a blogging platform. So I'm going to suggest WordPress or Wix for beginners. Now that we have selected a blogging platform, the next thing we want to do is to design our blog. So as a beginner, you want to keep it simple. You want to keep it fresh. On Wix and on WordPress, you can find free or paid plans. So with both the free and paid plans, you can find unique and simple templates for your blog. Now here is a pro tip for you. You can use artificial intelligence like ChatGPT to generate blog posts or to give you ideas for your blog outlines. Now that we have set up our blog, let's talk about the fun part. Making money from your blog. Here are some of the most popular ways to make money from your blog in 2025 and beyond. The first one we want to look at is affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you can promote a product, earn a commission, and the process goes on and on. So you can join companies like Amazon Associates or ClickBank or even Leads Market. You can also monetize your blog post by ads placement. So you can use Google AdSense, and the alternative to Google AdSense, we have Ezoic and we have Adstera. Now with Google AdSense, Ezoic and Adstera, you get paid per 1,000 views. So whether your viewers are clicking on your ads or not, you still earn from the views. But you could also earn money from sponsored content. You can partner with brands to showcase their products. So you can create content reviewing or showcasing the products of these companies that you have approached. This way you can make money and also gain more audience. Another exciting way to make money from your blog in 2025 is by selling digital products. Guys, it is so easy as ABC to start selling digital products. Even with your Canva free plan, you can get some nice templates that you can play around with and start selling on your blog. So you can create ebooks, you can create online courses, you can create printables, you can create journals. Guys, the list is endless. You could also make money by offering exclusive content to paying members. So you could use platforms like Patreon to start your paying club. Now that we have set up our blogs, it is important to know that there are 1,000,001 blogs out there. And it is now time to look at how to stand out in your blogging game. So the first thing you want to do to stand out as a blog is to be a problem-solving blog. Address your audience's pain points with actionable advice. So you can teach your audience how to make money and how to go about it the practical way and how to get results. Also, to make money from your blog and also to stand out and to build your audience fast, you want to be consistent. So you can publish weekly or even bi-weekly. You don't have to do it daily, but you need to be consistent. This way, you ensure that you are growing fast. Now you want to build your brand by using consistent themes, consistent colors, and even consistent logos. So when we look at your social media and your blog, we can find similar things and we can trust you enough. There's also one last point that a lot of YouTube creators and bloggers neglect. They don't interact or engage with their audience enough. Respond to your comments, respond to your emails so you can build that relationship with your audience. You want to build a loyal audience for whenever you post or whenever you market your affiliate links, they are there to listen to you. So here is a pro tip for you. You want to start publishing pillar content. Yes, I said pillar content. So pillar content are long form content. They are detailed content. You want to establish yourself as an authority. Now let's look at how to get traffic. Remember, no traffic, no income. As a blogger or even a YouTube creator, you need the traffic to start making actual money. Here is how to drive traffic to your blog. The first thing you want to do is to pay attention to search engine optimization, SEO. Make sure you research for keywords. Then you can use tools like Yoast to optimize your blog post for traffic. The second one we want to look at is building an email list. So far, I have an email list of 81 and I am not where I want to be. I want to have at least 1,000 people on my email list. So you can build an email list by offering people breadcrumbs or some freebies, and they might just join your site to become members. And this way you can be sending them your marketing opportunities, and whenever you have new blog posts or new YouTube videos, you can send to those people on your email list. Also, you want to collaborate with other creators in your niche. So you might find people that are already established or people that do things in a unique way, or just people you admire. You can collaborate with them. This way it opens you up to their own traffic and kind of audience, and it also in return opens them to your own kind of audience. And this way your audience would feel excited that you are spicing things up for them a little bit. So collaborations most of the time is not just about yourself, it is about the ripple effect in the long run. Now let us consider writing click-worthy headlines. Now I learned this the hard way, and I am learning more since I started my YouTube channel. I've now realized that having a clickable or what clickable thumbnail is paramount. So the same way, your titles and your graphics should be worth the click. Headlines make the first impression. Make sure you break a leg when you're writing your headlines. You can use things like CoSchedule's headline analyzer to draft your compelling titles. Now here is a pro tip. Focus on long tail keywords. They are less competitive and they attract highly targeted audience. Now let's look at using YouTube to boost your blog. So you don't need 10,000 subscribers on YouTube to start using YouTube. So even if you have just 100 subscribers, you can start driving traffic from YouTube to your blog. So let's look at how to go about that. So you can create complimentary videos. You can turn your blog post into tutorials and also reviews. Now, when you embed videos on your blog, it increases the length of time spent on your page, and you can agree with me that this boosts SEO. Repurpose your content, so you can use part of your blog content or your YouTube content as reels or even shorts on Twitter, on Instagram and Facebook. The hard truth about blogging: staying motivated in your blogging business. Now, blogging is not an easy deal. It is not for the faint-hearted, but it is not a get-rich-quick scheme. So you need to put in the work, you need to be patient, and you need to observe. You need to make adjustments as you go. So you need to stay consistent, you need to track your progress, and don't forget, please, to celebrate every little win. That's important to keep you going. And there you have it, guys, a complete step step-by-step guide to starting your own very first blog. So let me know in the comments, are you blogging already? What niche are you excited about? What niche are you ready to give a try? Please don't forget to leave us a comment. Don't forget to like, and please share this video with as many as you think might need it. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I remain Blessing Ame of the Passive Income and Life Hacks Hub, Aberdeen. See you next time.